Hi everyone, welcome back to SkillLab's BIM Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to create curtain walls. Let's get started. To create curtain walls, go to Floor Plan, go to Architecture tab, click on Wall, in Wall Architectural, in Property Palettes, look for curtain walls. Okay, there are three types of curtain walls. One is curtain wall basic, one is exterior glazing and the storefront. Let me just show how to draw this curtain wall. Click on it. Similarly, how we used to draw the walls, we have to draw it first, right? And next, go to its constraints and make the adjustments here. It is base constraint and it has unconnected height of 8 meters. So I'll just change it to up to the level of 2 and finish it. Okay, in 3D view if I see, it has not changed yet. So what I'll do, I'll just click again and change from unconnected to up to the level 2. See, now it has changed. In 3D view itself, or in the south elevation, right, go to Architecture tab, click on curtain grids first. First, the curtain grids has to be created and then we have to set the mullions for those grids. Okay, so click on curtain grids and at the required intervals, place the grids. Okay, you can also place grids horizontally. For that we have three options. Okay, one is all segments, one segment and all except picked. Okay, so for all segments what happens is, if I click on the all segment, the grid lines is created throughout the wall. Okay, but if I select one segment, it will take the horizontal space for where first grid is placed. Okay, in between the grids, it takes between the grids, it doesn't take throughout the wall. So let me select all segment, right, and let me also select the one segment and one segment here. Right. Now I have to align it. Go to modify, align to this. I want this to be aligned. Okay, so go to architecture, curtain grids, one segment, okay. So this is how is grids formed, right? Before I could see that it was a simple plain glass panel all over, but once I created the grids, it has been divided into segments, right? Next I have to apply the mullions. Okay, this also there is all these options, like if I use the grid line once at one click, I can place the grids throughout this line. The other option is grid line segment. Okay, if I click on the grid line segment, it only takes the in between length of the grids, and if I click on all grid lines at a time, it will create mullions throughout the curtain wall, right? So I selected all grid lines and I have given the mullions. So this is how the curtain wall works, right? First we have to create the curtain walls, we have to create the curtain grids and then apply the mullions to it, right? Next, let's see the other two types of curtain wall. Exterior glazing, let me just show it to you here. This will be up to the level of this 3D view. You can see that exterior glazing has only vertical segments, right? And the storefront, it has vertical segments, horizontal segments, as well as the mullions once and for all. Okay, we need not keep on adding the curtain grids and mullions for this. It is already there. We can modify it according to our requirement. If I have to add it, I can do it. This is the storefront part. If I want to add another segment, if I just click on the grid line, it automatically takes the mullions. Similarly, the exterior glazing as well. I can add the grids and I can add the mullions as well. Right. So this was about the curtain walls and different types of curtain walls. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. There is a simple quiz on the topic of curtain walls and the link is given in the description. Please try it out. And at Skilllift, we also offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description. If you are interested, enroll. See you in the next video.